Hi everyone, my name is Mother. I just have a really quick video today. I just got a package I've been waiting for, and honestly I couldn't wait to unbox it. Okay, I recently ordered a new bag as a replacement for my work handbag, and I just got it, so I thought it'd be really fun to quickly open this. Here is the bag. Okay, let's go for this one. Oh, see, I made the mistake last time. There is an opening thing here, so wait. Okay. Good. Okay. And it's Gucci. Okay, I got a dust cloth. Oh my god, oh no, it's not a dust cloth. It's a tote. Or is it a dust cloth? I don't know. But this. And then they have given me an envelope and a Gucci card. So this card says Gucci. Ta-da! I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. That's the card. And then I have this envelope thing. I think this is the receipt. Yeah. This is just like stuff, printout, packaging stuff. But how nice is that? That's the first time someone ever like given me a confirmation thing on a beautiful envelope. And can I just say, Gucci has the best packaging, and it's so pretty, and I love the green. Okay, they're coming up. So beautiful, actually. Alright, so this is the box. Let me just go back. So this is the box, and I'm actually in my work outfit because this is going to be my new work bag. And I just wanted to style it with my outfit, so to see how it looks, and that's why I'm wearing the glasses, so I look smart. Okay, so pew. Ta-da! Alright, this is the first for both of us, and inside there's my bag. And I love this box. I'm gonna keep things in it. I'm not gonna throw it away. There's some ruffle paper thing. This is an additional tote bag. This is the official bag. This is the extra. How cool is that? They gave me a additional tote bag to carry groceries or something. That says Gucci. And then when I open it up, there you go, my new work bag is here. Ta-da! This is actually made for men. It's on their men's line, but I really wanted this because I think this would be perfect for my black to beige outfits, and this doesn't have like a too much of a in-your-face logo, so I can easily wear this to work. And then of course we have the tag, some papers, some more paper. I feel bad for the trees. Alright. I feel so bad for the trees. There's a lot of packaging here, but can't help it because it's Gucci. Okay, this is the hand tag, and it came with its own. Okay, I'm buying more things from Gucci because this is amazing. I think this goes, I don't know. Where does this go? Got it out. This is the bag, right? And I'm not sure where I put this tag because there is like 3 different attachable areas. Can I just say I'm buying more things from Gucci. I love it. I really like the structure and I really like the look because this will go really nice with my outfits. And it's not overly Gucci, like it's not saying hi I'm Gucci if you ignore the monogram, but it's not like screaming hi I'm Gucci, hey I'm wearing Gucci to work. No, it's very like subtly monogrammed. And then we got the handle with some, this has to go, and I think this goes here, maybe here, I don't know, yeah. I think this goes here. You pull it down and then attach it to your bag. There you go. But I'm confused. Is this supposed to be on just one side? Am I supposed to put it in this one inside? Can somebody tell me? Like, I don't know. But aside from that, there is a zip on the inside with authentication cards. That's awesome. And that's the bag. Super excited. And it goes with my black outfit. And I'm really like surprised that they even gave me a, well, there's like a strap protector, but there's also like a tote bag. How cool is that? And also this is Gucci. And then this is the official bag that usually comes with all the purchases. But I must say, aside from all the bad for environmental stuff, Gucci literally like has the best packaging. So beautiful. So beautiful. Just for the packaging, I want to get more stuff. But there you go, that's the bag, and I'm gonna actually quickly include me wearing it with this outfit and maybe a coat as well, because it's gorgeous. It deserves that much.